In this video, we're going to talk about how to calculate discount and a resulting sale price after discount is taken. So what is discount? Discount is a certain amount of money that is subtracted from the original price. So the key word right here would be subtracted, because discount, why people hunt for sales and clearances? Because they want to save money. Discount will make the item cost less. So anytime you hear things like sale, clearance, discount, off, these are all indicators of discount. All right. When you're solving discount questions, you will work with two different types of problems. Some will only ask you to calculate discount, so only discount, and we'll call them or refer to them as one-step problems. And some will ask you to find new total, and we will refer to those questions as two-step problems. So if you're asked to find discount only, and that can be worded in so many different ways. They can ask you to find discount, or how much less something will cost, or how much less you will pay, or how much do you save? How much do you save? Okay, so all these things indicate that you only have to complete one step. And this one step is to use percent proportion, where part, in other words, discount or part of the original price goes on top. Original price will go on the bottom of the first fraction. Discount rate will go on the top of the second fraction and 100 on the bottom. So this is part always will be our x. So this is where x goes every single time. Okay, then we'll cross multiply and divide by 100. If we are asked to find, get a different color market, if we are asked to find new price, total, sale price, things like that, that should tell you that you have to complete a second step. What will happen during that second step is we will take our original price and we will subtract the amount of discount that we just found in our first step right here. Our x is the amount of discount. So let's put this to practice and see how do we answer those types of questions. So question number one, we have the Moore family is selling their $145,000 house and want to discount it by 5% off the sale price. How much less will the house be? So we're going to identify first if it's a one-step or two-step, and we're likely to find that information in the question itself. So it says, how much less? How much less will the house be? So they're not asking us to find the new selling price of the house, but only find out how much less will it be. So this is a one-step problem. So for one-step problems, the only thing I need to do is complete my percent proportion. X will represent part that we're looking for, part of the original price, which was $145,000. Okay, equal, and then the second ratio, I need to identify my discount rate, which is 5%, and put it over 100. So to solve a proportion, I have to cross multiply and divide by 100. So 145,000 times 5 is equal to 72,500. Divide by 100. and X is 7,250. So this is my X, but the answer to my question would be the house will be $7,250 less. Okay. Next question, we have Samantha who bought a Keurig that was selling for $141.99. If she had a coupon for 15% off, how much did she pay? So let's really dig into the question itself, and it's asking how much did she pay? So to find out how much she paid, I would need to subtract amount of discount from the original price, right? But to find the amount of discount, I have to do proportion. So here we go. This problem is a two-step problem. And the first step would be X, the amount of discount, over the original price of the coffee maker equal discount rate is 15% over 100. I'm going to cross multiply. 141.99 times 15 is equal to 2,129.85 divided by 100. And X is 21.99, so I'm going to round it up to 21.30. So what I just found is how much less it will cost her. As my second step, I'm going to take the original price that this Keurig was and subtract amount of discount from it. And I'll find that she paid $120.69 for it. So she just saved herself. This is how much she saved, and this is how much she paid. Next one, at the oceanfront hotel rates are discounted 30% during cold winter months. If the nightly rate at a hotel is normally $219, what is the new rate during February? The question is, what is a new rate? And in this case, the rate they're referring to is the price. So price of the hotel room. So they're asking us to find the new price. If I need to find new price, I would need to know how much less it will cost so I can subtract it from the original price. So that is a two-step problem right here. All right, so for my amount of discount, I need to set X over 219 equal, the hotel rate is 30% over 100. Cross multiply. 219 times 30 is equal to 6,570 divided by 100, and X is 6570. So this number tells me how much less hotel rooms are during cold winter months. Okay, now to find out how much will it cost, what's the new rate, I would need to take 219, my original price. Normally, my original price is 219, and subtract 6570 from it. And we'll find that the new hotel rate is $153.30. So if you want to stay in a hotel, you'll be paying $65 less. That's how much less you'll be paying or saving that amount of money. And this is how much you will end up paying. And last one, we'll do it together. Mark bought his concert tickets on Groupon and was able to save 10% of the tickets that normally sell for $89.99. How much less will it cost? The question is, how much less? So I do not need to find a new price. I do not need to find how much he paid. All I need to find is how much less will it cost him. And it is a one-step problem. And my X is how much money he saved. over $89.99, the original price, equal the rate is 10% over 100. I'm going to cross multiply 899 times 10, and that is 899.9. Divide that number by 100, and we'll find that he saved $8.99. Or we can say it's $9 because the numbers would just repeat itself as 9. So he saved, using Groupon, he saved $9 on his tickets. All right, please let me know if you have any questions and continue working on the back of your paper.